Number 8, the Zojirushi NSTSC 10512 2-cup Uncooked MyCom rice. Cooker is a remarkable product that delivers exceptional results in cooking rice. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this rice cooker stands out in terms of quality, functionality, and design. One of the key aspects that sets the Zojirushi NSTSC 10 apart from other rice cookers is its brand reputation. Zojirushi has established itself as a trusted brand in the market, known for producing high-quality kitchen appliances. This rice cooker lives up to the brand's standards, delivering consistent performance and reliable results. With a capacity of 1.05 quarts, this rice cooker is suitable for small to medium-sized households. Whether you're cooking for yourself or a few family members, this size is ideal for everyday use. The compact design, measuring 14D into 10.13W into 8.5H, ensures that this rice cooker won't take up too much counter space in your kitchen.